Welcome to another exciting video. In this video we're going to learn the basics of computer architecture, but also have a delve into assembly language programming. So if you go to peterhigginson.co.uk/LMC, you'll be presented with a screen such as this. On the right hand side you've got the memory locations. Here we have 100 different mailboxes which can be used to store 3-digit numbers and also store both data and instructions. In the middle we've got an accumulator, which is the register used to perform arithmetic and logical operations. We've got a program counter which keeps track of the memory location of the current instruction being executed. We've got input and output, which is self-explanatory: input for the user input and output to be displayed on the screen. And on the left hand side we've got where we do our assembly language programming. In assembly language programming we've got the first digit represents the operation code and the last 2 digits represent the memory address or the location of where you want that data to go. Okay, so I'll give an example of this. We'll create a simple addition program. So we've got IMP, which is our input operand for input, and we're going to store that in memory location 99. Then we're going to have another input, and we're going to add that input to the contents from memory location 99. We're going to display that as an output and halt the program. So if I click submit now, that transpires it into, or translates it into assembly language code. So we've got 6 different instructions here from 00 to 05. That is essentially, on the RAM side here, is where the instructions will come from. So instruction 00, which is the input, will come from mailbox 0, and the halt location will come from mailbox 5. So if I run that now, and it'll go very slowly by default. You can click these arrows to speed it up or slow it down. So it's asked for our input, which is at memory location 1, sorry, memory location 0. So we'll go 2. Then it'll go to store instruction and store that in 99. It'll come back from location 2 and ask for another input, so we'll go with 3 this time. Then it's going to add that from the contents in mailbox 99, because you can see the number 2 was stored in mailbox 99. It's going to add 3, or the user input, to mailbox 99, and will give us our output from location 4, which is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5, hopefully. And then the program will halted. So that's the basics of Little Man Computer. Basically, what that does is it gives a basic understanding of execution and fetch cycles, which were created by our good friend von Neumann.